Hi people, how are you doing, my dearest subscribers and viewers? So today you are going to be helping me select the first video I'm going to put up amongst these my latest fascinators next tomorrow for you to watch how I make them. For B will actually come up tomorrow because it's a pictorial view, but the others are going to come up one for each week. I seem to be calling everything here fascinators, but some are fascinators and some are hearts. Okay, so do make your selection known in the comment section of this video between A, C and D. Which would you want to see how I made them? A complete video showing you how I did it from beginning to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you would want to click that subscribe button right now and the notification so you don't miss these lovely videos that would be coming up. And also, if you made if you participated in the challenge of this video I'm just showing you to win half price of this, please do back to the video and check the comment section to see if you were one of the lucky winners, favored winners. Okay, so because the training, we have just completed the training here. It's available now for everyone who makes payment with cards. Alright, so till we see very soon in the next video, yes, goodbye and